Hello everyone, today you're going to be discovering 10 cleansers for combination to oily skin. If you are a combination to oily skin, then you have hit the right video. So without rambling too much, let's get started. If you have been following me, you know how much I love investing into good cleansers and how many cleansers I have tried on my skin. Out of so many, I have cut down these cleansers to only 10 cleansers for combination to oily skin. There are few cleansers which I would not have physically in my hand to show you because I've already finished them, but I have done a dedicated review on every single cleansers I'm going to show you today in this video. So do check them out to know about them more better. So why not just start with number one. Number one is the Gaia Tea Tree Cleanser, which is exactly made for combination to oily skin. Even if you see the packaging, it says it is made for acne prone skin. So saying that, if you have cystic acne or if you have painful acne, I would not recommend this cleanser to you because it can be little irritative while you apply this cleanser. But if you get normal hormonal acne or if you just get normal acne, then you can go in with this cleanser. What this cleanser basically does, it cleans up your face, cleanses really thoroughly, cleans your pores, and simultaneously it starts drying out your acne as well. When you give a right amount of tea tree cleanser with other tea tree products to your skin, you are actually treating your skin issues like the acne and the pimples you have. This cleanser though is mild, not overly powdering with tea tree essential oils in it, because there are cleansers which claim they have tea tree, but it's way too much for your skin. This cleanser for my skin has worked absolutely wonderful. I've already finished mine. I would soon be repurchasing one for myself, but it has really kept my acne in check. It doesn't allow acne to come, and even if there are small bumps, it will fix it instantly. So investing in a good cleanser is a must, and Gaia has done a really good job here. This cleanser is strictly made for combination to oily skin. So if you are looking for one cleanser which is pocket friendly, easily available and works on your acne prone skin, then you should be eyeing this one. Another cleanser which I have is something milder, something which can go with all skin type, is the Innisfree Green Tea Foaming Cleanser. If you haven't tried Innisfree products in general, I would highly recommend you, if you have a skin which is like mine, which doesn't get too many acne or pimples or cystic acne, but have a combination to oily skin and want to prevent the acne process altogether and keep everything in check and want to have a mild cleanser, then this is the one to go for. This is enriched with green tea. Again, something gentle, something really well done, gives enough hydration as well as it really cleans the skin well. What do you expect out of a cleanser? Basically just clean your face and remove all the dirt and gunk you have. Once a cleanser does all that for you, all your other products would work on your skin. To make your other skincare products work, you have to invest in a good cleanser. I always insist on buying a good cleanser, and if you see so, I myself invest on my cleansers because I feel that's the first step. Just like your makeup, your first step is primer. If it is not correct, your foundation cannot sit well and your other products would not sit well. Same goes with your skincare. Buy a good cleanser. Once your skin is clean, ready, then your other products will work. So this one, definitely something well made for a combination to oily. It gives you a nice clean face. You get 50 ml of product, 150 ml of product, and I think you pay 690 or 650 rupees for this cleanser. Again, something well done for all skin type, and if you have very much cystic acne and you still want to include a cleanser, then you can go for this one. Moving on to another cleanser, there is one thing which I would like to mention. If you see no improvement in your acne and your skin, please consult a dermatologist, because then there is this time when you have to show it to a doctor and follow a strict routine for your skin with certain products which your dermac suggests. So just do not haphazardly buy things. Yes, I'm going to show you 10 cleansers, but if nothing works, then it's the dermac which can help you with your skin. Let's move on to another cleanser. Moving on to one of my favorite cleansers, and this is definitely going to work on your skin, is the Kaya Brightening Bead Cleanser. I do not have the cleanser physically to show you because mine is over, and if you have been following me, you know how much I love this cleanser. I have used like tubes and tubes of it. I have to repurchase it. The reason of me loving this cleanser is simple, easy to understand cleanser. If you are a person who doesn't like too much of exfoliation, and if you are a combination to oily skin, if you have acne and you cannot be scrubbing your face every day, this is the cleanser to go for. It has micro beads which are not abrasive on the skin but gently give you a nice exfoliation while cleansing your face. This is one product which you can actually use every day without hurting your skin. For instance, you would not even feel those beads on your skin. I like this cleanser because I'm a person who doesn't believe in physical exfoliation a lot. I do physical exfoliation but not every week. It's like once a month. But since exfoliation is good for skin, not hurting my skin and giving it more irritation, I like these kind of cleansers. So include a cleanser like this if you are combination to oily. What basically this cleanser would do, clean your skin, remove the dead skin and give you more of a squeaky clean face, and then when you start applying your other skincare product, you see the magic there. So yes, this is one cleanser which you should be eyeing for yourself. Next one I have is something which is my favorite, and I would say this can be favorite of many, is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser by The Face Shop. This is a new package. I already have one opened in my bathroom. Since it was just in front of me, I was like, let me just show you guys this one. This is by far one of those cleansers which will give you instant brightness, rejuvenation, and simultaneously you will actually touch your skin and feel that it is clean. I feel this range is, well, not exactly the whole range, but this cleanser in general is well made for combination to oily, because this cleanser is not overly hydrating cleanser, but it is somewhere in between. For summers, this cleanser is well done. Though I feel this cleanser can be a little drying for dry skin people because of the texture of the cleanser. It is creamy, it is very thick, and it does dry out your skin if you do not hydrate well. So again, something well done. If you're looking for a cleanser which just straight away takes up all that oil on your skin, then go in with this one. I highly recommend this one to combination to oily people and who are excessively oily. This can be a magical product for you. So if you are looking for a cleanser which just controls the oil, this is the one to go for, and this will cost you $650 for, again, 150 ml of product. Yeah, 150 ml. It's a lot of product. One cleanser will last you long, but I always say never restrict yourself to one cleanser. Always have two cleansers with yourself, because your skin should be adjusted to different products. It should not be like that you're using one product constantly and suddenly when you pick up another one, your skin doesn't like it. So always keep your skin used to multiple products. But saying that, I'm not saying buy 10 cleansers. At least have two with you, and that one can be this one. So this is something I have absolutely loved, and oily to combination skin will love this cleanser. If you have a sensitive skin, if you have an extremely oily skin, if you have a little bit of acne going on, this cleanser will keep everything in check. This is not going to treat your acne in any way, because this cleanser is not meant for that, but it will control your oil. Simultaneously, it is going to give you more of a firmer touch to the skin, because the rice water is more of a main ingredient. So it is more of an anti-aging face wash as well. So yes, something well done for combination to oily. Moving on to another interesting cleanser, and my favorite is the Wow Tea Tree Cleanser. I do not have the tube with me because I've already finished it, but I am using the tea tree serum. As of now I've just started because summers are already here, so I don't want my skin to be in trouble. So that's how I like to include my products. Talking about the Wow Tea Tree Cleanser, the one thing which I noticed about this particular cleanser, that it has tea tree but it is not overly done. It has neem leaf extract as well, which will work on your bacteria and if any kind of infections you have due to those bacteria. Basically tea tree and neem leaf, if put together in a right proportion, they can work well on the skin. But if the proportion and the compositions go wrong, these two products actually can do a lot bad things for your skin. As saying, Body Cupid's tea tree neem leaf cleanser for oily skin is not a good product to go for, and I have talked about that product in my worst of 2020 video. Same ingredients are in this Wow Skin Science cleanser, but they work absolutely wonderful on my skin because of the composition they are in. Now let me just not go into the percentage because I really don't know, but since it is a natural based product, saying natural basis doesn't mean guys कि पेड़ से तोड़ा, ट्यूब में डाला और आपको दे दिया. No, everything is definitely chemically processed, but the natural percentage is higher. Like generally Wow products, natural based is 94%, 96%, 99%. So it is on the higher side. Definitely they have chemical ingredients in it to balance out the product and give you in a tube form. But saying that, this cleanser which has tea tree and neem leaf will work on your acne as well as diminishing the acne scars. Yes, you heard me right. I would not say the cleanser will do it by itself, but include other products by this range. All in all, this cleanser is gentle, made well for acne prone skin and combination to oily. Even if you have a sensitive skin, it will work well because it is not strong. Another thing which I noticed with this cleanser, it is not going to dry out your skin because tea tree is one of their main ingredients, and tea tree in general can dry out the skin, but this cleanser is not going to do that, and you can use this cleanser every day. So if you are looking out for a cleanser which has a main ingredient as tea tree, then this is definitely the one to go for. Moving on to one of my personal favorites and favorites past 5 years, and I've talked about this product so many times, is the Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Fairness Face Wash, which reduces dullness and enriched with yuzu lemon essence, and it is suitable for all skin type. I would contradict on that because this product can be a little drying product for combination to dry skin. So if you are an oily skin and you want to have a nice clean slate and good brightened up skin, then this is the cleanser to go for. Now do not buy the product reading fairness because it is not going to add any fairness to you, and even I do not buy products reading fairness. See guys, there can be it's more of a what should I say, marketing strategy, क्योंकि अभी भी in our country people buy products reading fairness. And frankly speaking, on my channel also a lot of people do ask me suggest products of fairness, and I don't have anything to suggest you because there is no product made for fairness, and जो बेच रहे हैं वो बस बेवकूफ़ बना रहे हैं आपको. तो फेयरनेस जैसी कोई चीज़ आपको किसी क्रीम से नहीं मिलेगी. Start embracing yourself. So talking about this cleanser, this is definitely one of my favorites because it just gives me that nice clean face. And whenever I jump from another weather to another weather, this is the cleanser I start using because this really maintains that cycle of change. Secondly, it doesn't instantly does thing to my skin in a half-assed manner, because समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, आप विंटर्स से समर्स में जंप करते हो तो विंटर्स का क्लेंजर छोड़ के सडनली समर्स वाला यूज करना शुरू कर देते हो, एंड देन योर स्किन डजंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज जस्ट गेट्स अ सडन शॉक. So to avoid that shock altogether, I include products which help me to shift from a weather to another weather in my skincare as well. I am like that, and you should also do this with your skin and you will not have these issues. So this cleanser really fits into that cycle. Another best part about this cleanser is that being a combination to oily, sometimes when I get an excessive heat on my skin and it instantly burns up and a lot of decoloration starts happening, mostly skin imperfection, then this cleanser helps me to fix it with other products from this same line. All in all, this cleanser is well made for combination to oily skin. It will remove all the excess oil from your skin and give you more of a clean state. But be mindful, this product can be drying in winters. Summers के लिए तो perfect है, but winters के लिए तो drying है ही है. So just apply a good moisturizer. So yes, one of my favorites and one of the best cleansers made for combination to oily. So I've already shown you 6 cleansers. Now we are down to the last 4 cleanser, and the last cleanser is something new to my cleanser family altogether. So watch the video till the end. You don't want to miss an amazing one. So the next one is the Amazon Rainforest Wow Skin Science Amazon Rainforest Collection Cleanser, the one with the Kaolin clay. They have 2 variants, but the Kaolin clay one is the one made for combination to oily skin. Now whenever you're buying products, just do not buy products blindly. At least read the ingredients, or at least read the basic thing, which skin type is it made for. The one best thing about certain brands I like that they always keep in mind to mention what skin type can actually enjoy the product, and Wow Skin Science have been doing that with most of their cleansers, and I really appreciate that. So this one is one of my favorites again. The reason being the Kaolin clay factor. This Kaolin clay will help to remove all the gunk from your face. It cleans the pores as well. The cleanser is into a gel format, so it doesn't dry out your skin instantly. But be mindful, it has kaolin clay. So if you have combination to oily skin, this cleanser can be a little drying instantly. But if you have an extremely oily skin, then you may not feel the dryness instantly, but definitely you'll start feeling the dryness within 15 minutes of cleansing. So why am I pinpointing these small little bitty things? Because you should know what you are buying and what you should expect. Secondly, this cleanser is my personal favorite as well, because this is one product which is gentle but does an extremely good job for my skin type. If you have acne, or if you just get acne and you don't know how you are getting it, try including a product like this, because it will clean your face really well, and simultaneously if you have small bumps or small acne, it will start simultaneously drying out those acne as well. Include a product like this because it helps in the long run, and simultaneously it is a cleanser which is more of having more anti-aging properties as well, giving more of a firmer effect to the skin. When you start using products like this, you do see changes as well, but do not expect these changes in a night. You at least have to give a month. So this is one of another good cleansers, well made for combination to oily skin. Next up, another favorite cleanser of mine, something expensive but I totally love it, and this is again a different format of cleanser. I've already talked about this kind of a cleanser, the Kaya brightening bead one. If you want to have more options, then this is the one to go for. This is the Face Shop White Seed Exfoliating Cleansing Foam. Here also you get 150 ml of product, and I think this product cost you 1000 something. But girls, if you really want to work good for your skin, if you really want to have a good skin, a healthy skin, do not mind paying a little extra for your skincare. एक ब्लश कम खरीद लेना, बट एक अच्छा स्किन केयर जरूरी है. So this cleanser again is more of an exfoliating cleanser, but the beads in this also are not extremely harsh. On the other hand, the Kaya one too, you will not feel anything, but with this one you may feel a little bit something rubbing on your skin, but not abrasive or not strong. Even if you put a little extra pressure on the skin, you may not feel that you are scrubbing your face, but your skin would be exfoliated. The best part about these kind of cleansers are that you can use it every day, but me as a person, I still resist myself, and this cleanser in particular I would not use it every day, but maybe included like alternative day on my skin. If you have a lot going on your skin, and if you have an extremely a dry skin, as well as if you have a lot of dead skin formation or unevenness on the skin being a combination to oily, then this cleanser will try to fix all that and give you more of a plain base, or maybe I would say corrected face, because this cleanser will slowly take away all those dead skin as well as correct your skin and give you an equalized skin tone. So if you haven't thought about this cleanser, then I'm just giving you that thought. Get this one and you will thank me later. This is gentle, not very strong and not very mild. It is somewhere in between. Any skin type would like it, but combination to oily will love it. So this is again something well done by The Face Shop. Moving on to another cleanser, a cleanser which is gentle, made for sensitive, combination to oily, and a cleanser which will be more of a mild cleanser on your skin. If you are a person who has a lot of painful acne or just get acne every month and you do not know which cleanser should I be putting in this time, then this is the one to go for. This is by Dermafic, the pH Balance Facial Cleanser. I will mention the correct name on the skin. This is one cleanser. I'm not personally a big fan on this one because my skin needs more. But this one, when I was writing these top 10, I felt this can actually be favorite or being loved by many other who have a sensitive skin or people who are not looking for extremely strong cleansers. And secondly, just to maintain the pH balance of your skin. This is definitely one of the mildest cleansers, which is not going to give you any kind of irritation or redness. It is into a gel format. It is super light. It doesn't have a lot of foam going on, so it doesn't even dry out your skin. So it is a mild cleanser, well done for people who are combination to oily and have sensitive skin. And if you have a lot going on to your skin, do not expect too much out of it, but definitely it will give you more of a nice clean face. Sometimes we do not need a lot of strong cleansers which have tea tree, neem leaf, or for that matter the exfoliating cleansers as well. Sometimes we just need a gentle cleanser, because when you are starting your skincare, when you are trying new products, sometimes you just have to have patience, include some gentle products, and you see the improvement slowly. So this one definitely fits into the category where you will see difference in your skin slowly, but it will not harm your skin. So definitely a worth checking cleanser by Dermafic. And now we are down to the last cleanser, a cleanser which I have been using past 1.5 months and I absolutely love it for my skin type, is the My Glam Glow Iridescent Brightening Foaming Cleanser. Again, it is infused with rose hip oil vitamin elixir. Now this comes like this. Now I have been using this cleanser only past 1.5 months. It's very recent in my cleanser family, but to my surprise, it works so good for my skin type. Even in winters it was working well, even in summers it is working well. It is creamy, it has a lot more foam going on. It is not going to dry your skin instantly. It will give you enough time. You can go in with your moisturizer even after 15-20 minutes because it doesn't dry out your skin. I would say this cleanser can be good for people who are combination to oily but doesn't have a lot going on. You don't have acne, you don't have pimples, you don't have those hormonal pimple coming issues as well. Like my skin doesn't face all of those issues. So these kind of cleansers are like go-to. Like they are not going to work on my acne, but at least it will not allow other things to happen because it has other properties to work on, like my anti-aging, skin firming, and even correcting my skin. So you have to see all of these other properties as well while buying a cleanser. So all of the cleansers which I showed you, they're just not made for your acne or pimples or just to treat your acne, but these cleansers are going to work on your acne. There are certain cleansers which will prevent your acne. There are certain cleansers which will help to dry out your acne and remove your acne scars. And the cleansers are even going to work on your anti-aging and giving you more of rejuvenated skin. So So all of those cleansers are going to do all of those things as well, keeping everything in check. So this cleanser by MyGlam definitely does this for me, and this has not given me any kind of irritation. Though I would say this cleanser is all skin type, a dry skin person would also love it. It is not overly powering cleanser. It doesn't have too much of scent going on as well, because yes, it looks very luxury, I do understand, but it is very mild in scent wise as well. But definitely something worth trying if you are a combination to oily skin. So many cleansers to choose from, but there are not so many. I just showed you 10. If you have been following me, you know how many cleansers I have used, but I feel in particular for combination to oily skin, if you have to narrow it down, then these 10 really fits perfect, keeping in mind a lot of other factors as well, like your acne, treating your acne scars, preventing your acne, keeping check your anti-aging as well, correcting your skin, rejuvenating your skin, cleaning all the gunk from your skin, and keeping your pores clean as well. There are cleansers which can actually work on firming of your pores as well as firming your skin. So keeping all of these extra properties with all of these cleansers, you are sorted. So if you have any second thoughts about getting one for yourself, feel free to ask any questions you have. But I have personally used these cleansers, and it is not that I have used one tube. I have used like tubes and tubes of it. So if you have any second thoughts about any other product as well, always check out my empties video as well as my favorites video. These videos help you to understand what I actually loved and what I can actually pass. So never miss out on any empty video as well as videos which are done monthly by any content creator, because these videos help you to understand more better. And secondly, since we are showing you so many different things, you have a clear picture what can do what for your skin. I hope this video helps you in many ways. Everything will be linked in my description. I will be soon here with 10 moisturizers for combination to oily skin. So consider subscribing, following me on my Instagram @RanzitGeek. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!